Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Andrew. Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to quickly run through with you how you can make your very own simple YouTube banner, how you can put a decent one together, how you can make it look unique and look your own. It's not going to take very long, it's not going to take very much hard work. I'm going to take you through it step by step. So yeah, pretty much if you want to learn how to do that, then stay tuned and we shall get started. So I'm doing mine with Photoshop. There are plenty of other options out there online which I may well choose to look at in the future. However, for today's tutorial I am using Adobe Photoshop 2019. So you'll come to this screen, click on Create New. It's then going to take you to all of these different options and all the different sizes. These are all the common sizes I've recently used. However, we're going to pan over here because I'm going to show you what you need and the sizes you need, etc, etc. So for any channel banner, you're going to want to make it the width 2560, all in pixels always. The height is 1440. The resolution 72, it's pixels to inches, RGB colour, 8-bit, I leave all that the same, that's how it comes. And then you can have any background colour you like. I'm going to have transparent just to show you. I don't think there's any advanced options, not really, we'll leave those be, I don't touch those normally anyway. And then when you're happy with that, you just click on create. And it will take you to this screen. Now, I'm not going to do anything fancy here. I'm literally just going to hop onto Google Images and I'm going to find, I don't know what am I going to find. I'm literally going to find some trees, if I can get a picture of a tree or some trees. This one, no, I can't use that one. So I also like to put in 2560 times 1440 so you get the right resolution. I also want to try and use quite a bright image because I'm going to show you how you can tone down the colour using a black overlay. I quite like this one, it's quite bright and cheery and colourful, so I'm going to download this one. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to save image as. This is a recent project I've been working on, but I'm going to go right back to where I know I've got a folder saved. This is my hard drive. I've also somewhere here got how to make a channel banner. You're just going to need to create yourself a folder to put all your stuff in. It'll give you a Google name. I'm gonna rename this, however, I'm gonna put base layer image. It's JPEG, that's fine, that's how I'm gonna end up saving my stuff. I'm gonna hit save, it's gonna go to the download screen at the bottom. Cool, so then it's gonna take you back into Photoshop. We're gonna then file, place linked. We're gonna go back to the file and we're going to find the image. We're going to double click on it and then it brings it in smaller. We're going to just bring that up to the corner and then holding shift I'm going to adjust it to full screen like so. Cool, that is my background for my video. Now I'm going to tone this down by 50% of the colour just because it is a bit bright. So I'm going to go back to the internet. I'm now going to go back up to the top and I'm going to keep the 2560 by 1440 and I'm just going to type in black background. Hit enter. I'm going to try and I'm going to see if I can just get a black wallpaper like that. I'm going to right click, I'm going to save this. I'm going to do this exactly the same way. However, I'm going to call it black overlay this time, but still JPEG, that's fine. I'm going to click on save. Going to go back to Photoshop, going to do the same process again. File, place linked, black overlay, okay. I'm gonna bring this so the black overlay has to stay above the coloured overlay. I'm gonna right click on my layer, I'm gonna click blending options and I'm gonna change the opacity to 50%. I'm going to click OK, and then it just dulls the picture down and it makes it a bit more appealing rather than the bright colours. Cool, so now we have our base image. Now it's up to you guys how you do this. You can either file save and then work on a save file, or you can do it like I do and just carry on. So all I then do is grab some text, and let's just say my channel is called, oh I don't know, Trees 101 for example. That's not how you spell trees. Cool. Oh, and then I'm gonna say that I'm uploading videos every month, for example. I do not recommend that in the slightest, but just as a prime example. I'm then going to make the uploads every month smaller than the Trees 101. So my Trees 101 text is 150 in size. I'm going to see what 100 in size looks like. That's about right for me. So I'm going to hit the check mark, and that's as it should be. So I'm going to, cool, so I've got that selected. I'm going to move these to about now. I've got the cursor selected at the top. So I'm going to put the Trees 101 dead center in the middle, above, so you can see that dead center in the middle would be, where's my center point? Center point is there. If I was to put this dead center, it gives you a cross. So I'm putting my Trees 101 just above the center point, and then I'm going to put uploads every month just below there like that, and then that is pretty much it. Then all I have to do is file and save as, and then I'm just going to put Trees 101 finalized project. That's all I'm saving it as. Notice how I'm saving everything in the same folder. I'm going to save a Photoshop document, and then I'm also going to save that as an image. I used to do everything in PNG, but then I now do everything in JPEG. It just doesn't make a difference. Hit save on that. I leave all this the same, just hit OK, and we are good to go. Cool, so that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please be sure to leave me a like rating on the video, and also subscribe because I'm going to be doing these every single week. Nonetheless, you guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next week with a brand new tutorial. Thank you and goodbye.